So hi guys, it's me, Bella Slime Queen. Like or subscribe. So these are some of my slimes. As you can already see by my title. And no, I am in my brother's room. So yeah, let's get on. So that is my blue diamond slime. What's really unique about it is the color. It's like a perfect color. So next to my other slime is called ruby pink. Because it's like a rubyish color. Okay, let's show. So yeah, that was my ruby pink slime. Now the next slime is called rose red. So yeah, let's show you right now. So those are all my slimes. And this one was my most favorite. It was like the loudest.